Hi, my name is Brett Clark and I've been a commercial chef for over 26 years. Welcome to my home kitchen. Today I'm going to cook beef bourguignon with a little bit of a spin on it. This is a great recipe to put in the crock pot, slow cook it over the whole course of the day, and that way you can get on with, looking after the kids. So let's get cracking. So the ingredients that I'm using today, I've got the beef up here, I've got a can of tinned tomato, red wine, some oil, I've got some beef stock, and then I've got my mirepoix of vegetables. So I've got my celery, onions, carrots, leek, potato, a bit of garlic, and instead of rosemary or anything like that, I'm using a bit of saltbush. So first of all, we're going to seal off using a really hot pan. What we want to do is we want to give the meat a lot of colour. A bit of garlic to it. Dust it up. Bit of saltbush. Break that up. Put that in there. Now our onions, carrots, our celery. Also going to add our leek. Give it a bit of stir. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to add our red wine. I'm going to reduce this red wine down, and we're going to give it probably around about 2 to 3 minutes of reducing down. So that's been reducing for around about 2 to 3 minutes now, and now I'm going to add my tinned tomato. And then give that a bit of a stir around. It's going to form like a really nice gravy. I'm going to add that to my pot. I'm going to cover it with beef stock. Gonna have my potatoes. Put it in the slow cooker. Turn it on to a low heat. Stir. So I got home about half an hour ago. The braised beef, it's been cooking all day, so it's been on for around about 7 hours now. I actually added some mushrooms to it as well, because I love mushrooms in my stewed beef. So just getting all the excess oil off, just going around the outside with a low spoon, getting all the excess oil. You don't want too much of it in there. I'm going to add some tomatoes. So I've got the mushrooms in there that I added probably about half an hour ago. Adds a nice little texture to it and softens it up a little bit as well. You'll see that it's nice and rich now. It's got changed colour. It's a nice, deep, thick stew. And what I'm going to do with the shallot, I'm just going to use that as a garnish on top, a bit of freshness to it. Put the lid back on, I'll let those tomatoes cook a little bit more, probably about another 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll plate it up. So it's been about 10 minutes now, the tomatoes are nice and soft, and I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of saltbush. I'm not sure if anybody has used saltbush, but I actually love this. Pulling back the stems. Adds a nice flavour to it. Really nice to add to the dish. Just finish off with some fresh shallots as well on top, and done. Enjoy your dinner. I know I will.